You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. He's Bodzy baby, oh. He's Bodzy baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel it, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust.
Hey YouTube family, it's your girl Leah, back again with another video. In today's video, as you can see from the title, is another crochet hair review video. And today's crochet hair is the Afri Natural, and I'm gonna call it main concept because that's way easier to pronounce. I think they're the same company. Beach curl hair in the 18 inches style in the color T1B27. And this is kind of what the pack looks like. If you're not familiar with my channel, welcome. We want you here. Subscribe. Make sure you're part of the family. But if you're also not familiar with my videos, this is how they work. I come on here with my first day thoughts of a crochet hair, showing you how it looks the first day in, showing you what I think of it overnight, how it held up and all of that. Then I come on here with my 1 week thoughts of the hair, showing you how it looked in that 1 week, whether I think it went south already in a week, how my maintenance was within that week of the hair. And then I come on here with my final thoughts of the hair, letting you see how long I was able to wear the hair, what my full thoughts of it are, whether I think it's beach friendly, activewear friendly, all that kind of stuff. So it's kind of like I'm vlogging my experience with some hairs, but I know you guys want to know how hairs work. See, some people come on here with their first day thoughts of hair and they love it, but they don't really show you how it's maintained over and how it's looked over several weeks. And that's what my videos are about. So if you want to see my full thoughts on this beach curl hair, just keep watching. So now for my first day thoughts on this hair. Now really it's my second day thoughts of this hair. I installed this hair 2 days ago, which was Black Friday, and now today is Sunday, and I'm coming on here and filming. If you follow me on any social media outlet, you know I was out of town for my grandparents' anniversary, their 50th year anniversary, and now while we were there at the beach, my mother did my hair for my birthday, I guess. I hope that wasn't my birthday present. Maybe it was. If so, still, thank you, Mother, for installing my hair for me. This is what it looks like 2 days in. Now, if you guys saw my October favorites video, you guys know I mentioned this hair. Michelle, a YouTuber on here, is the one who influenced me to get this hair. Sometimes when I see a beautiful hair on YouTube, Instagram, all that, it influences me to make decisions too. And I always want to shout out my inspirations or my hair inspirations. So that inspired me to get this hair. So as soon as she uploaded her video, I went online and ordered 3 different types of main concept hairs. I ordered the beach curl, the water wave, and the sassy curl hair because I was such in a main concept mood. She influenced me to get several different hairs. Now, if you follow me on Snapchat and everything, you guys saw my mini rant about how the hair never shipped, never got a shipping confirmation, never got anything from this company. And I was kind of sad because it was a company I never used before, but and the companies that I regularly use, like Sam's Beauty and all that, didn't have this hair. So I stepped out on a limb. They didn't have it. I went to 3 different beauty supply stores. They didn't have it. So I ordered online at this company I had never ordered for hair from before, and I didn't get the hair. Never got a shipping confirmation, never got all that. So I reached out to Main Concept, and they were so amazing to send me 7 packs of this hair. I explained to them what happened. I even sent them a screenshot of the fact that I actually really tried to get this hair in my collection and I couldn't. So down below I'll leave companies that I've actually ordered from, if I can find them, that I believe will be good vendors for you to purchase this hair if you're interested in this hair. This hair is $5.99 a pack. Like I said, I had them send me 7 packs of this hair. I watched Michelle's video. She actually used 9 packs of the hair, but I was like, oh, maybe I can get away. My head is like a peanut sized head, so maybe I can get away with 7 packs. I only ended up using 5 packs of hair. My mom installed it, then she got up and left, and she had only installed 4 packs of hair. My hair felt very flat, so myself, I got my crochet needle and I started installing a whole other pack of hair. So I used 5 packs of hair total, and this is how it looks exactly after install. Haven't done any cutting to this hair whatsoever. So if you're trying to figure out what 18 inches looks like uncut, of course I am going to cut this hair. I cannot have this unevenness, but to show you guys how it looks, this is what 18 inches looks like on me. The only thing I did do is I did spray my roots. Now, she did leave out a considerable amount of my front hair, so I had a lot of black showing that I needed to kind of blend in with this hair. So I used my handy dandy hair color spray that you guys have seen me use before in my Presto Curl video to kind of blend my black hair with this T1B27 color, because this Although it's T1B, I don't see a lot of elements of 1B in this hair. If you guys are seeing what I'm seeing right now, it doesn't have a black root. Some hairs that are T1B27, so I have the Sensational Jamaican Bounce hair, and that is a T1B27. And if you guys can notice, that hair starts out black and then it goes into that 27 color. This hair does not start out black. It starts off as still being that 27 color, and it's the same color all throughout. So that's just a good example of how some brands, no matter the brand, has different meanings for what they mean when they say T1B27. Sometimes you really don't get a good grasp of it online. Online, they'll show you a little box of a color, but won't tell you, okay, it doesn't have black roots, or does it have black roots? I want to know, does it have black roots? I knew before I installed it that this hair wasn't going to have black roots. All I've done in that first day in terms of maintenance with this hair, or the first 2 days in terms of maintenance with this hair, is I put mousse and water in it after she installed. I was at the beach and I had brought my mousse with me, but I needed something a little bit more to stiffen the hair up a little bit. This hair was extremely soft as soon as I put it in. If you guys know, I'm not a huge fan of my crochet hairs being extremely soft. With my human hairs better be super soft. Crochet hairs, I like them to be a little bit stiffer, just because stiffer hairs on me tend to not frizz as fast. That's just kind of my preference in terms of my hair. So the hair was very soft and I was like, uh-oh. So I ran my mousse through it. You guys know I love my Lia Lavon mousse. I also put a little bit of water in it. So I watered it and I moussed it, and now this is kind of how it looks, and it definitely feels a lot more so the consistency I like in my hairs. After I moussed it and all that, I put my hair up into my lovely bonnet. I always have a bonnet on. I do not sleep. 365. You won't catch me without a bonnet on. This is my bonnet. It's very dingy. It's very dirty because this is the bonnet I use anytime I use spray paint. So I have a lot of darkness on this. If you guys can believe, this is kind of how this bonnet started out. So yeah, it's definitely a dirty bonnet, but of course I use this bonnet all the time. I love this bonnet so much, and it contains all my hair. So I just put all my hair at the top of my head like a pineapple in my head, and then I go to sleep that way, and that's what I've been doing the last 2 days. I definitely will let you guys know in subsequent updates if that's the best route for this hair, and if I think that I needed to update my maintenance routine, I'll definitely let you guys know. But first day thoughts, I do really love this hair. I'm so excited that I got to choose this hair as my birthday hair. Love the color of it. I think it's such a unique look, and I hope that I enjoyed this hair. Fingers crossed I'll enjoy this hair, but let's just roll right into my first week thoughts of this hair, so stay tuned. So now for my 1 week thoughts on this main concept beach curl hair. Now this is what the hair looks like, and if you can see, I'm still wearing my Mickey apparel because I am still in my Disney mood. If you don't know, for the last week for my birthday I went to Walt Disney World, because why not be in the happiest place on earth on your birthday? Why not? Why would I not? So I'll leave up above the vlog video that I vlogged on my trip. In the video, I share my experiences at Universal and Disney World, but I also share my experiences with this hair because it's not a Lia Lavon video if I don't mention anything about the hair. I knew you guys were going to have questions, so I definitely address some of the questions and show you how the hair maneuvers throughout my trip in that vlog video, but I'll definitely talk about it right now because this is my 1 week thoughts on the hair. Now, in this last week, if you saw, I vlogged in Florida for the last week. The weather was amazing. I had 80-degree weather every single day. End of November, 80-degree weather, amazing. And then I come back to North Carolina, it's 60 degrees, and it's like, whoa. But Florida is known for rain. I only got rain on one day. On my actual birthday, it rained a little bit, but it didn't dampen the hair at all. Now, if you guys saw, on Wednesday, I went to Universal and we rode a water ride 3 times, and my hair was soaked. It was drenched. It had been through it all. And my friend's hair was soaked and drenched too. If you saw in that video, she has in the Free Tress Bohemian braid hair. And my best friend Sasha, oh, I love her so dearly. We went back to the room and she was a little good crochet hair wearer, and she washed her hair as soon as we got back to the room. And you think Lia Lavon, the girl who has the crochet hair channel, everything focused on crochet hair, tries to give you good practices with crochet hair, washed her hair as soon as she got back to the room? Oh, no. Lia Lavon went on ahead and KO'd. So Lia Lavon was asleep while my friend was doing the good thing and washing her hair like she should have. So this is one of the times where I say, do as I say, not what I do. Wash your hair as soon as you get back to the room on any vacation, anytime you're near water, whether it be chlorine, beach infested, fresh water, any kind of water, and you need to get whatever was in that water out of your head, the time to do it is right afterwards, not 2 days later like I did. I washed my hair when I got back to Charlotte, and that was last night, and so that was 2 days in, and my hair suffered the consequences. So Wednesday we did all the water adventures and fun times, and then Thursday I woke up and my hair was so freaking itchy. My scalp is so itchy. I was like, couldn't even take it how itchy it was, and I didn't get rid of that itch until Friday. So the thing you need to be most focused on is your real natural hair, and I'm so bad on this channel. Bad Lia Lavon. 2018 Lia Lavon will definitely be so much better about taking care of my natural hair up under my hair, but I brought no hair care products with me on my trip. You guys want to know what hair care products I brought? I brought my edge controls. But I didn't bring no conditioners, I didn't bring shampoo. So if you're going on vacation, no matter if you think you're gonna be near water, whether you don't even have expectations to hit water, you're going on a mountain vacation or something, you don't even expect it, bring your products, please do. I didn't expect to get drenched. I brought a swimsuit just in case we went to the pool or anything like that, but I was like, I'll put my hair up. I won't be one of those Lia Lavon dive in the pool situations. Oh no. Hair got wet. And so definitely say vacation beach wear approved. This hair is definitely gets my seal of approval. Do you see how well, let me get up in the camera, this hair is still holding up after being drenched in water? Give it my stamp of approval, but definitely bring your products with you and definitely wash your hair as soon as possible. That's what I say in all my videos. Make sure you're detangling your hair throughout. Do not wait days. Although my hair still looks good, even though I waited a couple days, don't do it. Just don't. Now, even though this hair I'd say is very low maintenance, I want to stress in a lot of my videos, I say a hair is high maintenance, I say a hair is low maintenance. A lot of times this hair is low maintenance, but when I say low maintenance, when I go to sleep, do I just pineapple it and throw a scarf on? Absolutely, but before I do that, I detangle my hair. Detangling is so important. Detangle every other day. If you detangle as often as you want the hair to last. If you don't want the hair to last that long, detangle once a week. But if you want the hair to look good and last, detangle every day if you can. It doesn't matter what you're doing. If you're sitting down watching your shows, watching your scandals, How to Get Away with Murders, whatever you love to watch, sit down, detangle the hair, detangle the hair as you're just sitting there doing nothing. I like to detangle with mousse. A lot of people like to detangle with leave-in conditioner. Some people like to detangle with spray bottles of water. This hair works well and reacts well to water, so that's something that you need to do. But just make sure that you are detangling whenever you can detangle. That is what helps a hair last as long. So yes, those are my 1 week thoughts. I hope I covered everything. If I didn't, I definitely cover it in my final thoughts of this hair. No, but let's head on into my final week thoughts on this hair. Stay tuned. So now for my final thoughts on this hair. Now I'm smiling from ear to ear because of course it's been an enjoyable experience, but let me not give away too much. Now, as you saw from the little insert, this is week 4 with the hair. If you've been following my channel and you watched my very most recent video, my wash day routine video, it's the same day I'm filming that video. I'll leave that video up above. You guys are probably like, it's counterintuitive to wash your hair on the same day you're gonna take it out. I'm gonna take it out tomorrow actually, but it's because you guys have been wanting to see a wash day routine video for you guys, and I just read like 5 comments in a row on my channel about when are you gonna show that, and I was like, I'm doing them a disservice, so let me go ahead and film this video while I still kind of have a spirally curl in right now. I think my next 3 hairs are not gonna be in the same format that I love so much. You guys know I love a spiral curl, free dress go-go curl, free dress presto curl, Australian bohemian curl, free dress beach curl. I can list them all, but they all have been in this more spirally kind of predicament, and I'm trying to, as we go into the rest of 2018, step away from this and bring you guys more diversity in my channel. So I wanted to wash a hair like this to kind of give you a vision of how you would do a wash day on a spirally curl. Of course, the routine for a more looser wave, ocean wave hair would be a little bit different, and when I try one of those hairs, I'll definitely do a wash day routine on that kind of video. But let me focus more so back on this hair. What have I loved about this hair? Everything. Of course, I just said I did a wash day routine with this hair, so is it water friendly? Absolutely. I was still able to maintain it on the road. The maintenance was so simple. When you're traveling and you have hair, you don't want a high maintenance hair, so it's very low maintenance, something you can travel with, something you can go places with, and it still hold up very well. Like I said, I just washed this hair and these are how the curls are looking. Frizz is not it's one of the lowest frizz hairs that I've had, and you guys know I'm very much so cautious of frizz and lighter color hairs. I'm always like, lighter color hairs show frizz a lot more. If you saw my free trust ring lip wand curl hair, I was very much so like, that was the first time I experienced seeing the frizz like that. But like with my free trust presto curl hair, the frizz hasn't even been like I said, I'm up in camera right now, and if you guys can see right now, frizz isn't a huge factor. And I've washed the hair. You would think the hair would be at its most frizziest right now, but it's not, and that's amazing thing. Now, tangles also haven't been a problem at all. The stragglies at the end, I've cut them as the weeks have gone on, but it has not been to the point where the hair has gotten all the way up to here because of all the cutting. The hair is pretty much at the same kind of length that it's been since the beginning of me trying this hair. So it gets my stamp of approval for active wear, water wear, low maintenance, all that, longevity. Like I said, I'm wearing it for 4 weeks, and you guys are probably like, well, why are you not wearing it longer if it's such an amazing hair? Because it's Christmas in a couple of days. We're a few days away from Christmas, and I do want a new Christmas hair. You know, I gotta go back. You know, when you walk into church and you want to stow people, I could definitely stunt in this hair, but I want to go into the new year and go into the Christmas season with a different hair. So I'm gonna be trying another hair. Hopefully I like that hair. I really kind of like regretting, I'm like 50-50 whether I want to take this hair out, because I don't think I'm going to enjoy the next hair as much. It's a beautiful hair, don't get me wrong, but this spirally is Lia Lavon. I hope you guys associate Lia Lavon with spirally curls. So yes, I think I could definitely get 3 more weeks of wear men with this hair. Like I could probably do 7 weeks up to 8 weeks of wear with this hair. So very long wearing hair. My one con with this hair, and it's not a major con with the hair itself, it's more a con with the accessibility of this hair. Hard to find this hair anywhere. I went to 2 stores, like I said in my probably first week thoughts or first day thoughts. I went to 2 stores. I live in Charlotte, North Carolina, a very metropolitan city, and you would think I went to my beauty supply store, which is Tyson, which I think they're huge. Like they have an online presence too, so they're a huge beauty supply store here, and they have everything. I always say go to Tyson. If you're looking for something, go to Tyson. Not if you're looking for main concept. I could not find this hair, not a sassy curl, not a water wave, anything from main concept there. And then I went to another beauty supply store. I think it was called like Beauty 2.0, also here in Charlotte. Didn't have a drop of this hair either. Then like last week I went to my local beauty supply store with my mom, and I was looking for main concept again. And we live in a kind of, not rural, I guess it's outskirts of the, you know, Charlotte metropolitan area. I went with her. Couldn't find a main concept anywhere, so I went to 3 different stores, couldn't find it. Like I said, I was having a tough time finding it online, so that's what made me reach out to main concept themselves and say, hey, I want to try this hair, just can't find it. Or if I do find it, I don't really trust the online retailer. So like I said, I'll leave retailers that I trust down below so you guys can check out this hair. If you guys want to purchase this hair, that'll be down there for you. But that's my one con. I like to promote hairs that are very accessible. Like I felt really bad after my Bobbi Boss Now wave hair that it was discontinued right after I reviewed that hair. So I try and want to review hairs that are very easy for you guys to find. If you guys can't find it, how are you guys gonna experience the same joy that I'm feeling right now as I'm wearing this hair? So that is my con with this hair, but I want to thank Main Concept for sending me this hair. Like I said, I never reach out to companies ever to send me a hair, but I really wanted to try a Main Concept hair because you guys have been burning a hole in me to try this hair. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you want to be part of the Lia Lavon family and you're not already, subscribe to my channel. We want you here. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at Lia Lavon 89. Make sure you're following my shenanigans or, you know, boring life, whatever you want to call it, on Snapchat at Miss Talia 89. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. This one will be private show. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow.